Luxury perfume begins as far more than scented liquid. The fragrance industry generates billions every year.
Perfume companies sell emotion, identity, and exclusivity.
Luxury perfume begins with delicate natural ingredients. Flowers must be harvested before sunlight damages aromatic compounds.
Some ingredients lose fragrance within hours after picking.
Raw materials arrive under controlled temperature conditions.
Every ingredient batch is inspected before production begins.
Cold storage slows fragrance degradation before extraction. Steam distillation extracts essential aromatic oils.
Heat releases aromatic molecules from plant material.
Condensation separates oil from distilled water.
Only tiny quantities of concentrated oil are produced.
Delicate flowers require solvent extraction instead of steam.
The resulting absolute contains highly concentrated fragrance.
The fragrance laboratory is one of the factory's most protected spaces.
Some perfume formulas contain over.
Fragrances are evaluated in carefully layered stages.
Modern perfumes rely heavily on synthetic aroma molecules. Synthetic chemistry creates stable and repeatable fragrance profiles. Factories maintain strict consistency between production batches.
Approved formulas move into large-scale production.
Precise alcohol ratios determine fragrance strength and stability.
Computerized systems ensure repeatable industrial precision. Blended ingredients begin forming the final fragrance composition. Fresh perfume now enters the maceration stage. Maceration allows ingredients to stabilize over time.
Environmental consistency is critical during aging. Chemical bonding smooths and deepens the fragrance profile.
Cooling helps separate microscopic impurities from the liquid.
Filtration removes particles invisible to the human eye.
Every production batch undergoes laboratory purity testing. Luxury perfume bottles begin as molten industrial glass. Precision molds define the final bottle geometry. Controlled cooling strengthens the glass structure.
Even tiny flaws can disqualify a luxury bottle.
Caps and decorative components receive separate precision finishing.
Packaging design reinforces the luxury identity of the fragrance.
Finished containers move toward final perfume filling.
Automated filling systems maintain microscopic measurement accuracy.
Every bottle must contain exactly the correct volume. Atomizer systems are installed under controlled pressure.
Sealing systems protect fragrance stability during storage.
Brand presentation is carefully controlled at every stage.
Automated inspection systems reject defective products instantly. Leak testing ensures packaging integrity before shipment.
Human inspectors verify luxury finishing standards.
Packaging transforms the product into a luxury retail experience.
Protective wrapping preserves product condition during distribution.
Finished products are prepared for global distribution. Warehouses maintain controlled storage conditions before shipping.
Luxury fragrances are distributed to retailers worldwide. Marketing plays a major role in luxury perfume pricing.
Luxury brands build emotional identity around every fragrance. Presentation strongly influences consumer perception.
The final experience begins long before the scent touches skin.
Bottle design often becomes as valuable as the fragrance itself. Perfume manufacturing combines chemistry, engineering, and luxury branding. Every bottle represents months of harvesting and precision manufacturing. Industrial precision defines modern luxury fragrance production.
Finished fragrances wait for worldwide shipment.
Luxury perfume distribution operates on a global scale.
Consumers purchase emotion, status, and identity. Scientific accuracy ensures every bottle smells identical. Modern perfume factories operate with extraordinary industrial complexity.
The finished product reaches consumers as a symbol of refinement.
Behind every spray lies an entire hidden manufacturing world. Perfume production continues around the clock to supply the global luxury market. People are not only buying fragrance, they are buying identity.